Hollywood collusion. No, it's in the fucking books now that we all agree. We all agree that he's an asshole. There's no context to it. There's no forgiveness for it. But he was doing some goofy shit that they all fucking do.
Uh-huh.
And this is the most villainous thing you ever seen in this area. He's saying, man, he's saying I fucked up and I'm sorry, and motherfuckers should forgive him. You know how paranoid you could be in this game, and he's at the highest level, but you don't destroy a motherfucker for this. This is not end of career mistake. He fucked up, but he should be able to say sorry. Like if he did anything.
I agree with the sorry
Fuck,
thing.
I believe him. I believe that one. I believe that what he's doing right now.